Hey guys, we are super excited to have you on this segment today. Elizabeth and I got roped in for a little surprise. There's a gray box there. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open up the box, and then we each have 30 seconds to get as many facts out as possible. And whoever gets the most wins. Are you ready?
No.
Come on, you're a smart cookie. No, that's cheating. You
How's
hold
that cheating?
Put your hand in your lap. No, put your hand in your lap, and you're gonna open up the box. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's from Colombia.
Barrel.
Colored by chromium.
Colored by vanadium.
That particular one's found in Russia.
This can also be found in Zambia.
Oh. I wrote my GMA paper on it.
That doesn't count.
Totally does. Hexagonal.
Related to morganite.
Red beryl, sometimes called the red emerald.
Recently found in Ethiopia.
Makes a trapeche.
Beryllium is in the base crystal structure.
That crystal's twinned.
Treated with Opticon.
Oh, Elizabeth's out of time. Okay, you got it.
You have to come up with one.
Related to aquamarine. Also, this can be found in Brazil. Often synthesized hydrothermal.
Natalie's out of time.
Did I win? Yes! That's really
Dang.
fun. Let's do that again. Can we do that
Do it
again? Okay, same thing. Ready? Okay.
So we have to.
3, 2. We're gonna unbox it. And I'm gonna put it over here, and someone's gonna reach in.
Ooh, that doesn't sound great.
What the heck is that?
Ooh.
I'm gonna lose.
Comes in every color.
This is fluorite.
Cubic crystal system.
Your toothpaste.
Gets its name from the word to flow.
It's good for your teeth.
You already said that. Fluorescence is named after fluorite.
The bands are caused by different colors.
Really? There are so many ways that it gets color that not all of them are known.
It's low on the Mohs scale.
It's a 4.
Elizabeth's out
Does
of
that
time.
count? Aw, man.
You're not gonna find it in jewelry that often. It comes in different colors. I don't know anything.
That one threw you off, didn't
That one
it?
threw me off.
I just like, this is fluorite?
Oh, Elizabeth won that round. So.
Other hand on our laps. Or we can hold it up here like this. Just kidding. All right, ready?
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna unbox it. And someone else is gonna reach in. All right, tell us when we can open our eyes.
Oh.
Colored by chromium.
Shoot. Comes from India.
Corundum.
Related to sapphire.
Can have asterism.
Host rock is marble.
Al2O3, base chemical structure.
Good grief. Trigonal hexagonal structure.
Metamorphic.
Can be igneous.
Found in Thailand.
Pigeon blood is the finest color.
Black Prince ruby is not a ruby, it's a spinel.
Elizabeth's out of time.
Okay, so this stone is found in the ground. This stone is found. It can be found in alluvial deposits, which are secondary deposits. It is related to corundum. There's a very fine line between sapphire, pink sapphire, and ruby. Top color is pigeon blood. The metamorphic rock.
Now he's done.
There's 2 you said that I already said.
Dang it.
Or that you had said or I had said.
Who won?
10 to 6.
Natalie had 10.
I just think quickly on my feet,
I
and
don't.
I'm aggressive.
You are kind of intimidating.
Are we still friends, even if I'm really competitive and aggressive?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh my gosh!
What is it?
Oh my gosh, guys. Do you want one?
Yeah.
Okay.
The losers get cookies.
You're not a loser. This is a participation trophy. Cheers. That was really good. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future updates on episodes coming up. And don't forget to comment and let us know what you liked about this video and what you want to see in the channel in the future. We've got some pretty sweet stuff coming up, maybe a few gem ventures.
That'd be nice.
Yeah, we're gonna finish these, so we gotta split. See ya.